Hello everyone. Thank you for following and subscribing to me. Thank you for coming to my channel and your support. My channel mainly shares the production of stainless steel wire handmade keychains. We will introduce a lot of tools for making wire keychains and often share the production process of the latest models. If you are interested in learning this craft, welcome to join us. Learning this craft can not only make money, but also enrich your spare time. The shape of the product can be changed according to their own creativity. Anyone can learn this craft. We provide professional technical teaching videos and tool reference. We often help some disabled people learn this craft for free. Join our paid membership to learn more about handmade wire keychain making techniques. Not only do you get to watch a lot of detailed instructional full videos that you can only see with a paid membership, you can also ask questions and get priority responses. There are more surprises waiting for you when you join the paid membership. My friend, don't hesitate to join us to learn more.